guys back on the beautiful Aprilia. You guys didn't see in the little start of the video, I showed you guys I removed my servo cables on this bike. I was told by a lot of people that, well, one of my friends that already has this bike has told me that pretty much tuning the bike should solve the issue that I have with it. But a lot of people also told me that, like, if you remove your servo cables and your charcoal canister on this side, it should solve the problem. I decided to remove the servo cables for now, just because, you know, I want the flaps open and the bike is going to sound so much better. But I didn't have the tools, extra hoses, stuff like that to remove the canister. But as you guys can see from the title of this video, I'm not really going to be doing much talking besides this. This is the first time we're taking the Aprilia on a canyon. Not going anything too crazy. First time, you know, just a chill ride through the canyon just to see how this bike feels. So yeah, without further ado, here we go. Is a little squirrely, to be honest. It doesn't feel that stable. Pretty bumpy. Pretty sure we got a little bit of airtime on that one. My right side is not my good side. of those today. Two things I can already tell. Bike, I need to stiffen up the stabilizer a little bit. It's a little too loose, especially coming out. Like this bike pops wheelies like it's nothing, so I need to stiffen out the stabilizer a little bit. And something maybe with the tire pressure, I need to lower it a little bit. I'm used to running a bit lower tire pressure, but thank you.
No worries, brother.
How you doing?
What up, man?
Figured I'll try it out. First time on the Canyon.
How is it?
It's I need to do a couple adjustments. I think my tire pressure is a little too high. It felt a little wobbly, and I need to stiffen up my stabilizer too. Huh? Yeah, very, very loose. I forgot which direction tightens it. Pretty sure this way makes it tight. This is like too tight. Okay, so let's go 1 click, 2 clicks out. Alright, I think that feels better. I mean, obviously I can't tell until I pick up speed, but
No, my buddy right here though, he's got some really, he's got a few other bikes.
pretty decent. We'll see how she feels on the way out, even though there's...
Everybody's super jealous, huh?
What's up, man?
I said, your garage is the garage that makes everybody super jealous, huh?
I don't know, it depends sometimes.
My old lady had a 2014 Camaro ZL1.
That's nice.
I got her to get rid of it and start buying bikes. Not when you open the garage, it's nothing but bikes.
I'm a similar story here. I had a Hellcat and I got rid of it and I started getting bikes.
Yeah. It was like a $900 payment a month, plus, you know, like
Yeah.
$400 in insurance.
That's 2 nice bikes.
That's it, right?
Oh man, I forgot to use the winglets. Missed out on the downforce.
Oh, yeah. You got the drag the whole time.
Yeah, man, what the hell?
That's minus 4 horsepower, bro.
No wonder I was slower.
Got the dealer on call, like, I thought you said this bike was fast.
It doesn't sound bad for stock, huh? Literally.
Good.
Yeah. I just removed the cable so the valve stays open.
It's loud, but like only when you hit it.
Yeah, it's like good loud.
When it's loud, it's not like, when it's on idling, it's not loud. It's
Yeah.
nice.
It still idles way better than before though. For a stock bike, I ain't complaining. There's no stock bike that sounds this good, to be honest. Oh damn, the flakes look good in the sun. That's crazy. Yeah, they look really good in the sun.
Yeah, different lighting, it's crazy.
Yeah.
One day it was cloudy, you couldn't even see it.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of me my first time. That's a monster, right? I think you guys want me to ride that or get one of those. Maybe I will in the future. That's the monster, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see. Maybe. It's a decent looking bike. I'm not a fan of that headlight. Tail looks nice with the Termi. Not bad. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, just chill cruise through the canyon. Nothing too crazy. I mean, either way, I never recommend using or trying to use your entire tire on a canyon, especially when it's not like the right setup. But yeah, this side you could tell is definitely better. Have like a pinky size on this side. This side is like a thumb. I know my good side. It's probably because of the track day. The track I go to is mainly left turns, so I'm more used to like the left turns, or I don't know, everyone has a good side. So, but yeah, just wanted to take it easy on her, you know, see how she feels in the canyon. But definitely, I think the thing is my tire pressure. Definitely need to lower that. Seems a little high. Adjusted my GP shift lever, now it's at a good length and height. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like, subscribe, share, and support. I'll catch you guys in the next one, or if I do something exciting after leaving here. All right, peace out, ride safe.